This is the beautiful fitness center. Wow, anybody will really want to go for a jog here. With our Technogym equipment, which is a signature for Silversea, it's going to be really, really nice to get some additional exercise after the beautiful sights in the Galapagos Islands. And what would be a luxury cruise ship without a wonderful massage cabin? Imagine being here, getting a wonderful treatment after a day of exploration. And this is our veranda cabin. As usual in the Silversea signature, it has a wonderful minibar, a very comfortable bed, which of course can be split. And the walk-in closet is, of course, any woman's dream, with incredible detailing and leather inside every single cupboard. And if you open the bathroom, you're going to see an incredible new feature for Silversea, a window to the ocean. We've never had that on any other Silversea ship. And this is the Grand Suite, one of the most beautiful corner suites we have in the fleet. So imagine being here, you'll have your private TV coming out from here, a dining table where your butler will serve a full-course meal. As you know, the Silver Origin is the only ship in the Galapagos with butlers for every suite. And there is an incredible environmental feature as well. Every single cabin, from the smallest to the biggest, is outfitted with this faucet where you can refill your water bottle, and so make sure that we don't have any single-use plastic on board. And this is the owner suite. This is the ultimate luxury that money can buy in the Galapagos. It is a wonderful apartment, and I actually want to bring you immediately to my favorite part of this suite. And here in the owner suite, well, we have a typical, beautiful, whispered luxury of our bedroom. But the great spectacular piece here is actually in the bathroom. Wouldn't anybody of us have a bathroom like this one in his own home? Not only it's double sink, but you have your own private jacuzzi, which an unbeatable view, and look at this shower. I actually need to show you how from the shower you can actually get outside on the balcony. We just hope our guests will have a bathrobe on when they do. And of course, on a Silversea ship, you want to always be ready for any occasion. So this is an incredible walk-in closet. And as the ultimate luxury accessory, you can actually take your shoes and put them in a special shoe rack.